Welcome to another video of data structure. This question was asked in July 22 for 5 marks. Show pass-wise sorting of data using bubble sort and discuss its time complexity. Given data is 25, 37, 12, 48, 57 and 33. So let's understand firstly what is bubble sort. In this sorting method, number 1 is arrange elements in ascending order. To arrange, compare each item with the next item to it and swap them if required. So this is the concept of bubble sort. Next concept is what are passes. Passes are used in bubble sort. To find passes formula is n minus 1. Now what is n? N is the total number of elements. Now let's find number of elements in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equals to 6. Now to find passes, n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So number of passes will be 5. Let's start with pass 1. So we have written all the data elements. So compare two elements. Let's start. Compare 25 and 37. So if left element is greater than the right element, then we have to swap. Now compare 25 is greater than 37. If yes, swap, otherwise don't swap. So after comparing, we get that 25 is not greater than 37, then leave it. Okay, write the data as it is. Then in the next step, we'll compare the next two elements, that is 37 and 12. So compare, is 37 greater than 12? If yes, then exchange 37 by 12, that is 37 is greater than 12, then we'll swap them. So as you can see, we have swapped them. So in the next step, we'll compare next two elements, that is 37 and 48. Is 37 greater than 48? No. Write the data as it is. We'll compare next two elements. Is 48 greater than 57? Is 48 greater than 57? No. In the next step, write the data as it is. Then compare the last two elements. Is 57 greater than 37? Is 57 greater than 33? Yes. Then swap these two elements. So 33 is swapped by 57. So now we get one largest element, that is 57. One largest element is bubbled out at the end of the list, that is 57. Now pass 2. For pass 2, we'll write the data, last data, that is 25, 12, 37, 48, 33 and 57. Now again we'll compare two elements. Swap them if required. First two elements, let's compare 25 and 12. Is 25 greater than 12? Yes. Exchange both the elements and write the remaining data as it is. Now in the next step, again compare next two elements, 25 and 37. Is 25 greater than 37? No. Write the data as it is. In the next step, again compare next two elements, 37 and 48. Is 37 greater than 48? No. Write the data as it is. Let's compare next two elements, 48 and 33. Is 48 greater than 33? Yes. So we'll swap 48 and 33. So the elements are swapped. Now after swapping, we get 48 as the second largest element. So this is pass 2 and pass 2 will end here. Further, we'll not compare 48 and 57 as we know 57 is the one of the largest element in this data. So pass 2 is completed over here. Next is pass 3. So for pass 3, we'll take the last data that is done in pass 2. 12, 25, 37, 33, 48, 57. So let's compare two elements and swap them if required. 12 and 25. Is 12 greater than 25? No. Write the data as it is. In the next step, compare next two elements, 25 and 37. Is 25 greater than 37? No. Write the data as it is. In the next step, again compare next two elements, that is 37 and 33. Is 37 greater than 33? Yes. Answer is yes. That means we need to swap 37 with 33. So in the next step, we'll swap them. So the swap data will be 12, 25, 33, 37, 48, 47. So further will not compare and swap, as we know that in the previous pass we received second largest element, and in pass 3 we received third largest element. And as we can see, this is the sorted array, that is 12, 25, 33, 37, 48 and 57. So this is the sorted array and which received third largest element. Now in the beginning we calculated pass and it says there should be 5 passes, but bubble sort algorithm says the number of passes required may be between 1 and n-1. We calculated n-1, but the passes for bubble sort can be 1, n-1 and between this also. Thus the total number of comparisons is n in bracket n-1 upon 2. Then time complexity equals to O in bracket n square. So this is the time complexity and this is the sorted array. That's all for this question. We have to sort the data using bubble sort, that we have done, and we have to discuss time complexity, that is also done. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and stay tuned for more video. Thank you.